Monopoly Voice Banking, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Give each player a reference card. Turn the banking unit on and place it in the center of the board. When the banking unit asks who is playing, press the corresponding icons that match each player's token. On your turn, roll both dice and move your piece exactly that many spaces clockwise around the board. Then take actions based on where you landed by pressing your token's icon on the banking unit, wait for the beep, then use the appropriate voice command. To buy, press your icon, then say buy. Wait for the ping sound, then speak the name of the property. Take the title deed and place it in front of you. To auction the property, say auction off. After the ping, say the property's name. The bidding starts at $50 and each bid increases the price by 50. To bid, press your icon. You do not need to bid in turn order. When the auction ends, the banking unit automatically pays the price for the player and they take the title deed card. If no player wants the property, then no players bid and the property stays with the bank. To pay rent, say pay rent on, then after the beep, say the property's name. If you need the banking unit to undo the last step, press the X button. Please note that you can only undo the recent most action. Pressing the circle arrow will cause the unit to repeat the last thing it said. To find out how much money you have, say balance. When you land on or pass go, collect $200 from the bank by saying pass go. If you land on chance, say chance card. The banking unit will tell you what card you drew and what happens. If you land on a railroad, say train ride, and the banking unit will tell you where to move your token to. If you pass go from this, do not collect $200. If you land on trade, you may pay $100 to trade any single property of yours with any one of your opponents that you choose. However, you may not trade properties in a complete colored set that have at least one building on them. To trade, say trade. Then, after the ping, say the name of your property that you want to trade. Then, when prompted, say the name of the property you are trading for. Swap title deeds with the player you traded with. You may not trade with other players outside of this. To get out of jail, to pay $50 or use the get out of jail free card, say get out of jail. To build, say build a house or build a hotel. When prompted, say the property's name, then place that building on it. Each property may only have one house or one hotel on it. After you build a house, then you can upgrade it to a hotel by replacing the house with a hotel. However, if you have enough money, you can also build straight to hotels. You may not sell buildings back to the bank, and if the game runs out of houses, you must buy straight to hotels or wait for someone to lose their house to debt. If you don't have enough money to pay, you must pay with properties you own. The banking unit will ask you which property you want to give. The value of the property is ignored, and all of your cash along with that property will be used to resolve your debt in full. If you pay with a property that has a building on it, that building, along with any other buildings in that colored set, go back to the bank. Give the title deed to the new owner. If you don't have enough cash and have only one property to pay your debt with, then you will go bankrupt. The game ends, and the winner is announced. To start a new game, turn the unit off, then back on again.